Here's another beautiful Impala that we just got in here at Unique and is now available to purchase. 1962 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop. This was a frame-off restoration in 2012. It's powered by a 350 crate engine that is paired up with a 700 R4. So this car is made for cruising. Don't be afraid to take it down the road. As you can see, the bright work paint, very nice shape on it. Also has power steering, power brakes, disc up front, drums in the rear as far as the brakes. As you can see in the interior, beautiful red vinyl interior with buckets. Riding on coy wheels. Does have an MSD electronic ignition also under the hood. So definitely some upgrades under the hood that make this a very nice cruising Impala. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside, how solid this car is. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Slip around and get you a shot of the interior here. See the center console, a little homemade or kind of aftermarket cup holder and cubby up there on the center underneath the radio. It does have an aftermarket radio that has been installed in it also. And you can see how straight this car, how nice the bright work is on it, up and down it. Come around to the back, check out the chrome in the rear of this. If you got any questions or you'd like to find out about transportation, possibly getting this car to your location, we can sure assist with that. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. You can see the luster in the paint and the reflection of the ceiling and the signs on the wall. This would be a very nice driver. Vinyl's nice in the front and rear seats. See the aftermarket deck speakers back there, headliner, everything very nice shape on this car. Go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Great sounding car too. See how easily it starts. Just have a little temperature gauge added after. And as you can see, it's also equipped with air conditioning. Just have a, I believe it's a vintage air and aftermarket style air conditioning setup on it. Dash also finished nicely. Hear that rumble out of that crate 350. Again, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And like I said, feel free to give us a call. We can assist with the transportation. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Give us a call, 1962 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop.